What is going on, everybody? Raging Cajun here. We got a good one for you. This is Snapon. It's a Snap-on tool, huh? I think it's going to be a really good one. Several items that I've gotten. A couple from Roscoe out in California. And then a couple from a family member of mine. He knew I liked Snap-on, so he cut me. I'm not going to say what I paid for him. I'm going to let y'all guess what I paid for these wrenches. I'll tell you what I paid for everything else but the wrenches. Y'all going to have to try to guess what I paid for the wrenches. There will be no prize for the winning guess. Sorry, I'm not doing that this time. But at 500 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. It will not be a Snap-on giveaway. Sorry. Can't do that. Nope. But, nonetheless, you're about to see what I got. So, I'm going to pause the video right quick, and I'll be right back with you. Alrighty, guys. Welcome back. Yep. I got some Flank Drive Plus wrenches from Snap-on. I got the SAE side, and I got some of the metric side, and I got some of the offset wrenches. And I got a couple extra little wrenches. If somebody can tell me what these are, I'll be mighty grateful. I got two of them. One's a Snap-on, and one is a Wizard. I looked it up and it said these are vintage wrenches. You can't get them anymore. So these are going to go in my toolbox at home whenever I get back home. And I've got a Snap-on flare nut wrench for your brake lines. For the SAE side, I'm only missing one of the wrenches. I got 9 pieces so far. I'm only missing one of the 9 pieces out of the Flank Drive. I got 3/8, 7/16, 1/2 inch, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, 3/4, 13/16, and a 7/8. So I got 9 of the SAE Flank Drive plus Craftsman combination wrenches. And for the metric side, I got 11, 12, 16, 17, 18, and 19. So I'm missing 4 or 5 of the wrenches for the metric side, for the Flank Drive Plus. Now I got just for these little offset wrenches, I got the SAE side. I don't have the metric, but nonetheless, I mean, it's still pretty much I guess it's pretty much almost a complete set. For the flare nut wrench, it is 3/8 and 7/16 for Snap-on. Brake line flare nut wrench. Not a bad little set. Not a bad little haul at all. Please, down in the comments, tell me the price you think I paid for all these wrenches. I'm not telling you the price. Everybody knows Snap-on's prices. I got to clean them up. They are barely used. But for all these little wrenches, somebody in the comments, leave in the comments down below. And who knows? You may get it right. Whoever gets it right, I will let you know. But I'm going to put these away right quick, because in this box I got something else from Snap-on. This came from Roscoe. Not these. These came from my family member. I have not opened this box. I know it's in here because I ordered it. But you don't know. So we're going to do a unveiling together. Get this box opened. Rick. And let's see what I got. All right, first item I pull out. It is the Snapon Butane gas torch. It is high power, 50 to 820 watts. Part number torch 400. Again, part number is the torch 400. It is a butane gas torch. It's the high power one, 50 to 820 watts. It did come in the red. That's the only color he had. So I've been wanting one of these for all the heat shrink and stuff I need to use it for. So we'll see how well it holds up. Everybody I've talked to, they love this little torch. They've had them for years. They said they've really never warrantied it out, so I went ahead and got it. I paid like $87 on promo price for it. So if y'all want one of these, go on the website or get a hold of your Snap-on dealer or try to find one of their trucks. I got it on promo price. The regular price is like $110 for it. But see if you can find them on promo. They're good little torches. You can't really beat it. Not for Snap-on. Got a lifetime warranty on it too. This next item, what's this? Oh wow, Roscoe done did it. He sure did. Roscoe did it. I didn't know this was coming. He snuck something in the box on me. It is Snap-on socks. If you watch this video, Roscoe, thank you, brother. A pair of Snap-on socks. Everybody that has a pair of these that wears these socks swear they are comfortable socks. We'll give them a shot and see what they're made of. the Snap-on socks. Now this next item I've been searching for a very long time. My father-in-law that passed away more than a couple years ago had one of the screwdrivers in his toolbox. And I didn't think it was right, so I went ahead. I tried to find a set without one of them in it, but I couldn't find them. And I wanted to make sure his screwdriver had the right type of background for it. So I went ahead and purchased a brand new set of Snap-on. It's a 6-piece set of Snap-on screwdrivers. Part number on these is SGDX60B0. It's got 3 Phillips and 3 flatheads. It is the orange handle screwdrivers. It does have the number 1 Phillips, the 7/32 flathead. It does have the number 2 Phillips, the 1/4-inch flathead. It does have the number 3 Phillips, and it does have the 5/16 flathead. I do have this one already. This set will not stay in its blow molded case. I am going to be putting this set in its own shadow foam with the other screwdriver. I don't know how often I'll be using these screwdrivers, probably maybe once in a blue moon. But I wanted the set, I wanted to pretty much honor his legacy, because he liked tools. He was a big tool guy. He was a machinist. Tool and die also. So, and these are not bad screwdrivers. They've got the wrench thing on them, so you can put a wrench on them. Anybody that owns Snap-on screwdrivers, they are lifetime warranted, and they love them. The handles are well built for my hand. They feel really great. But that is my Snap-on tool haul. For you guys, including all the wrenches. I didn't expect the socks to be in there, but hey, we'll give them a whirl. And they look small enough to fit the wife's feet. I don't know if they're going to fit my feet. But hey, that's pretty cool. Again, Roscoe, if you see this video, thank you. But you really can't go wrong with Snap-on. Let's see, the torch, the butane torch is made in doesn't really say. Anybody in the comment, anybody on here that sees this video can tell me where this butane torch is made, I'd be highly grateful. I believe it's USA made. Nope. Found it right here. The butane torch is made in Ireland. Found it right there on the box. Made in Ireland. The screwdrivers, they are made in the USA. That is one item that I've seen so far that is made in the USA. So that goes to prove it. Not all of Snap-on tools are made in the USA, but the screwdrivers are. The torches, they're made in Ireland. The brand new 860, the brand new half-inch impact that Snap-on just came out with, the 861 I believe it is made in China. Y'all can check that on the box. It shows it. But nonetheless, they got good warranties. But that will be the end of this video. Highly advise it. Go on their website, find your tool truck dealer, find your dealer. Go get y'all some Snap-on stuff. But until the next time, y'all keep those wheels spinning, your beavers grinning. And remember, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and ring that bell, because you never know when the next video will be coming out. But until then, Raging Cajun is out. Peace.